Hi everyone, it's so nice to see you. Today, we're going to fold a carrot. You'll need a square orange paper, 15 by 15 centimeters. Place it down so the orange side is facing the table. Now, fold it in half, corner to corner. That's great. Now let's fold it in half again. Can you see my index finger? Open it up just a little and press it down like this. Next, flip the paper over. We'll do the same folds again. Well done! Now you have a little square pocket. Turn it so the open part is pointing up. Let's fold down the top, but leave one layer behind. Now take that last layer and fold it down to the center line, just like this. Now take that last layer and fold it down to the center line, just like this. Look at the bottom, it has two flaps. Let's fold them out to the sides, at a slant. Do the same on the other side. This is going to make the carrot shape. Now fold this part up. The paper's a bit thick here, so take your time. We've got one last layer. Fold it up, just above the center line. See? It sits a little lower than the line. That's just right. We're almost there. Now fold the sides in, nice and straight, like this. And again on the other side. Flip it over. Look at that! We made a carrot. Let's draw some eyes and a nose with a marker. So cute! And that's it for today. Thanks for folding with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Fold with B. See you next time.